Hi friends, welcome to the Momo tutorial. Once you log into dashboard, you get a screen like this. Click on Momo. First thing, you got to create a meeting notice. Without creating a meeting notice, you will not be able to allow to create a meeting minutes. Create notice. Select the continuous meeting number. Please make sure that the continuous meeting numbers are in order. If not, again, that will be an issue with creating minutes. Select the date and time. The general notice period as per the Blue Book is 6 days. Please ensure that is maintained. Venue clubs. Click if it's online or virtual. Set location. You have a general agenda over here. You have an option to add any further agenda to this by clicking the plus to the various facets. You want to delete, you can delete the agenda. Once you're done, create event and email notice. You're done. Once you're done, please click the roundtable icon. Once you're done, please come to meeting notice again. You will have the create minutes tab here. Click the create minutes. You will get a list of tablers details here. Enter the necessary details. If it's a social meet, please click this button. If it's a joint meet with another table or a circle, please click and enter the details of the joint meet. Meeting hosted by. Create minutes. This is a self-fill form where the meeting call to order, welcome address, aims and objects read by. Please enter the details of the person reading it and the sergeant details. Save and proceed. This is the attendance section. You have 7 different types of attendance that can be given. One is present if a tabler is present, absent if a tabler is absent, AOA is apologies of absence. If a tabler is not able to attend the meeting and has sent his apologies to the secretary or the chairman, kindly do note it as apologies of absence. You will not get attendance for this, but it's just a gesture. PL stands for present but late. If a table has a rule that after a certain cutoff time, if a tabler enters the meeting, he will not be marked present but late. VP is virtually present. If you have a hybrid meeting, VP you give for tablers who are present virtually, and present you give for tablers who are present physically. If it's a fully virtual meeting, please mark everybody as VP. LOA stands for leave of absence. For some emergency, a tabler is not able to attend a meeting for a longer period of time, you give them LOA. Either they are shifting out of the city or either they have a family emergency or a medical emergency. LOA can be given for a maximum time of 6 months. LOAT stands for leave of absence by the table. All the rules of LOA apply, but if the tabler is unreachable and not able to communicate, the table can take a call and give LOAT, and this is also for a maximum period of 6 months. Other credit stands for tablers attending other meetings. If a tabler has attended a meeting, give him 1 credit. Table credits stands for table credits are basically given when a tabler attends a project of a table or another table. It is completely up to the internal rules. In other credits, if there is a joint meet between 2 tables, you get only 1 credit. Even if there is a joint meet between 6 tables, you still get only 1 credit. You confirm your previous minutes over here, and any corrections need to be done that can be added over here. Since there are no previous minutes here, I'm not able to show that. It's pretty self-explanatory. MATNAN stands for matters arising thereof not covered anywhere else, which basically means if there is anything that was left out of agenda or if some issue was brought to the table's notice, after sending the table meeting notice, you can discuss it over here. If it pertains to AEX and EX, that is discussed here. If it pertains to internal table matters, that is discussed here. Tablers at other meetings, please mark down the name of the tabler with the table number and the meeting number that he has attended. Tablers at other projects or projects, any tabler attending a project, please do enter the details over here. Greetings of the members of the table appears over here by default. If there is any error in it, you can always delete the greeting and add a fresh greeting to it. Communications received and sent. You can add the communications received from NEX, AEX and others received by selecting the appropriate tab, and communications sent by selecting the appropriate tab. So for every communication, please add individually. If you had applied for a new member kit, you will get the service request details over here. This is the convener's report. Almost all the reports are the same with a very few details. I will explain a few of them. Rest of them are self-explanatory. You add plus for every report, add one report. If there is a fellowship event, enter the details of the event along with the date, and there is another tab which says table area, entered area, national and international. If it's a table event, please select table event. If it's an area event, please select it's an area event. Number of tablers present, details of the event, save. For every single fellowship event, please add a separate report. Discussions and plans, any discussion that is happening with regard to future plans, please note it down over here. And if you want to track this discussion so that it is updated correctly and followed up to be done, please select track this discussion and save. Coming to projects report, the same, add report, RTA week yes or no, project name, project date. There is a section which asks whether it is FTE, FTA, infra, donation. Please do select the appropriate section. There is a subtype. Please do select the subtype as well and enter the location of where the project is executed. Total cost, table contribution, number of people benefited, donations done by any tablers or any other donors, grants received, project details, and save and proceed. Community service is very similar to projects. Just enter the appropriate details under every field and save and proceed. In every convener report, you have an image that you can be adding. Please ensure that it is less than 1 MB. Extension is two types. One is external extension, internal extension. Internal extension, if a tabler is getting inducted into your own table, please add it under internal extensions. Enter the event name, date, and the prospect so-and-so was inducted into the table. External extension pertains to charter of a table. Enter the event name and please enter the appropriate details here, whether it was a contact meet, inauguration, or charter, and the details of the appropriate meeting. Rules, publicity, fundraising, LAPD, all are very similar to the previous tabs. You can enter the respective details. For every event, please add a report. Do not dump all the reports into one section. If there is any facet that the table has other than the facets listed over here, please go to other conveners, add the details in other conveners, such as Go Green, an example of an event, because there is no Go Green tab over here. Date of the event, event report, save and proceed. Now we move on to the next section, which is treasurer. You enter all the bank balances, which is your admin, projects, admin cash, and projects cash. If the table has more than one bank account, please add up both the balances and enter it appropriately over here. And treasurer report can highlight any details other than the bank balances. Next is secretary's report. You add one more report, you get secretary's report. Save and proceed. Next is chairman's report. Your chairman's time, speech, chairman's time details, everything is recorded over here. Any other matters, please treat it very similar to the convener's report. For every discussion in any other matter, please have a separate section. Every time save and proceed. Sorry. One sec. So you want to have another discussion, enter it into a separate field over here. Save and proceed. Resignations, add new. You enter the detail of the resignation member. It comes in a drop down box. Discussion. Please do upload the resignation letter. That is a must. And after entering save and proceed. Sergeant's report. You enter the details of the sergeant's report, etc. over here. Vote of thanks. Next meeting date, if you have the details handy, that will be very useful. Next meeting venue, if you have it, please do enter it. If you don't have it, please put it as to be decided. Save and proceed. You have an option to preview over here. You can go through the minutes. Any details are missing, you can come back and edit it. If there is nothing that is missing, you can click validate and submit directly. So the discussions that we kept open for tracking will be visible over here. You can keep tracking them, and once you press close in the tracking section, it will disappear from here. Now the submission is done. Other than the minutes, secretaries also have report generations, which is a very useful tool for your quarterly reports and monthly reports. You can go to the respective convener. Since I don't have data over here, it is not reflecting. Your fellowship projects, everything gets coming in a drop down box. You can select the event name, event date, report. It comes as a report gallery. It's extremely useful for your monthly and quarterly reports. Please do use this. Annual report generation is made automated. Once you are done with your 24 minutes and you have submitted all the minutes successfully, only then please click yes generated. If not, once you click it, you will not be allowed to submit any more minutes. So to generate a very good annual report, please ensure that every facet is listed under the appropriate section in your minutes. If you ensure that, your annual report will come out very clearly over here. I hope this helps. Wishing you guys all the best. Signing off, Tabler Santosh from Area 2.